Hi folks, here's just a quick video update talking about using the reCAPTCHA in the contact panel. Now there's 4 changes you need to apply. And if you're reading the document here, the first change is we need to add the reCAPTCHA style into the top of the contact panel. So it doesn't matter in this example, this update, which editor you're working with. You can use an Expression Web, FrontPage, Dreamweaver. The process is the same. We're going to go into the library folder, the components folder, the contact panel, the CSS, and finally we're going to open up the contact panel.css folder right here. Now the very first thing we want to do, up at the top of the page, and you can either type this or copy it in from the instruction page, is just give it a little bit of space, and we're going to do a dot, and we're going to type in a style, and this style is going to help to override the default Google style, and it's called SS, so type in .ss hyphen reCAPTCHA, reCAPTCHA. And then we're going to put a bracket, and then in this version it's going to automatically add the closing bracket, but put a opening and closing bracket, or just simply copy something in from somewhere else, paste it, and get rid of the stuff in the middle if you're lazy like me. Or like that. And there we go. Now the next thing we're going to do is just type in the word clear, and then we're going to use a colon and type in the word both, and then finish it off with a semicolon. And that's the very first thing we need to do. Alright, the next thing we need to do is adjust the height on 3 different styles within the contact panel.css. Okay, now the very first one in this example here is the Google iframe. Now the height right here, now this is a funny one, you're going to have to tweak it a little bit, but we need to add about 88 pixels or so to accommodate the height of the Google, the reCAPTCHA component. So in this case we would change the 305 to 393. Okay, so you may need to play around with that a little bit, but basically it's the div or the contact Google iframe. We need to change the height to about an extra 88 pixels tall. Okay, so that's the step 2. Now step 3, we need to scroll down the page and we need to locate a style called contact Google, and another one called Form 2. Now both of these have a height of, in this case, 365 pixels. What we need to do is take both of these heights right here, change it to auto. And we're going to copy this down here and just change that one to auto as well. So once we've made those 4 adjustments, save the page, upload it to your server, you're done. You won't see Google reCAPTCHA locally unless you're running a local server, I think, but you will need to test that online. But those are the 4 changes you need to make.